So we're getting ready to replace our toilet paper holders here in our master bathroom, and also our towel hook that came with the house. You can tell they're kind of loose. I don't want to pry them off the wall. We're just looking to replace the fixtures, do some updates, things like that. So instead of leaving a huge hole in the wall by ripping out the anchor, it's pretty simple, really. So the first thing I did was look for a set screw. Obviously, there's not a set screw on these. Obviously, you can tell it's loose, and we'll rip it out of the wall. There's a little black hook here that we're going to press, and it should pop right off. All right, so we've located, you can tell there's one right here, and there's one right here. We're just going to take, I just have a small screwdriver. This is a Phillips head, just to get a little point in there. We're going to push it down, and as we push, should release right off. This is what you're left with. So all it is a little metal piece, a little plastic piece here that you're compressing. It's going to allow it to release. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Push in, push, and pull. Now that we have those off, you can see there's the screw. It's a Phillips head screw, and those will unscrew right from the anchors in the wall. And then you can take those out and replace them.